Chapter 5 HTML Lists and Tables. Concept note: HTML or hypertext markup language is used to create web pages and applications and tells the browser how to display them. HTML is not a programming language. Instead, it is a markup language that defines the structure and layout of web documents. Learning outcomes: children will be able to understand the importance of lists and tables. Neha: Hey Tia, have you ever wondered how web pages organize information into lists and tables? Tia: Absolutely, Neha. I have seen lists and tables on websites, but I don't know how they create them. Can you explain? Neha: Sure, Tia. In HTML, lists are used to organize items sequentially. Tia: That sounds straightforward. What about tables? Neha: Tables are used to display data in rows and columns. Tia: Got it, Neha. So these HTML elements help structure and present information on web pages, right? Neha: Exactly, Tia. Lists and tables make web content more organized and user-friendly. They are essential for creating clear and structured web pages. Tia: Thanks, Neha. HTML seems fascinating. I can't wait to learn more. HTML lists. A list is a record of short pieces of related information or used to display the data or any information on web pages in the ordered or unordered form. HTML supports three ways for specifying lists of information: unordered list, ordered list, and definition list. Creating list. Unordered list. An unordered list is used to create a list of items with bullets. The syntax for this type of listing is UL followed by /UL. This will output the following. The UL type can also be used to specify the bullet type. We can use square, disk, or circle bullet types. Square unordered list. Disk unordered list. Circle unordered list. Ordered list. This type is used to list items in numbered format. The syntax for this type of list is OL followed by /OL. Output. The OL type can also be used to specify the number type. We can use numbers, Roman numerals, and alphabets in uppercase and lowercase. Roman numerals uppercase. Output. Roman numerals lowercase. Output. Letters uppercase. Output. Letters lowercase. Output. The start attribute for OL tag can be used to specify the starting point of the numbering needed. Definition list. This type is used to list items in dictionary format. The syntax for this is DL followed by /DL. DT and DD tags are used within definition list type to list items. DT stands for term and DD stands for term definition. Tables in HTML. In HTML, tables are a way to organize and display data in a structured grid format. They are composed of rows and columns with each cell in the table containing data or other HTML elements. Tables are often used to present tabular data such as lists, charts, or comparisons. Creating tables. The HTML table allows to arrange data like text, images, links, other tables, etc. into rows and columns of cells. The HTML tables are created using the table tag, in which the TR tag is used to create table rows and TD tag is used to create data cells. The elements under TD are regular and left aligned by default. This will produce the following result. Here the border is an attribute of table tag and it is used to put a border across all the cells. If border is not needed, then border is equal to 0 can be set. Table heading. Table heading can be defined using TH tag. This tag replaces the TD tag, which is used to represent actual data cell. Normally the top row is set as a table heading as shown below, but TH element can be used in any other row as well. Headings which are defined in TH tag are centered and bold by default. This will produce the following result. Table height and width. Table width and height can be set using width and height attributes. The table width or height can be specified in terms of pixels or in terms of percentage of available screen area. Table caption. The caption tag will serve as a title or explanation for the table, and it shows up at the top of the table. This will produce the following result. Flashback. HTML supports 3 types of list: unordered list, ordered list, and definition list. Unordered list, bullet types, ordered list, number, format, definition list, dictionary formal. HTML tables allow to arrange data like text, images, links, other tables, etc. Caption tag is used as a title of table. The table heading can be defined using th tag. Normally, the top row is set as a table heading.